What are you eating? You eating a Nutri-Grain bar because you're a big girl and you're eating solid foods? Wow. Wow. Stevie, let me see. Let me see your chew face. What a big girl you are. You little cuddle bug. You're super cuddly today. One more? Here. Another bite, you gotta stand up. You gotta come get it. You gotta come get it. Can you get up? Open your mouth, let me see. Ah, good girl. Big girl.